Seems like we are ready to go, but there is one really cool feature I still want to show you. And for that, follow me to appearance screen once again. Remember in the beginning of this video, we created and designed our store from here, but there is more to it. We have this QR code generation for our store. It's pretty much a QR code which your customers can scan and they will immediately land on your online store. So for that, we will generate one. You can either generate a standard or styled QR code. I'm just gonna click on it and my QR code has been just generated, and here you see it. You guys, if you have your phone next to you, take out the phone, scan this QR code, and you will see how it works. So you will just land on my store that I just created. Feel free to play around with it, take a look, and tell me in the comments how I can improve it perhaps. And with this QR code, you guys can be as creative as you want. Maybe you want to print thousands of brochures and send them to your customers with a discount offer that we just created earlier, asking them to order. And once they're gonna scan this QR code from the brochure, they're gonna land on your store. Or you can just make this huge poster and post it somewhere on your restaurant front door, something like this. I just created this one in a minute to show you what the possibilities are. We're very close to wrapping this up, guys. We ended up having this really cool store. I think it's quite intuitive that you can pretty much copy this link and place it. If you have a website, you can place an order now button, and whenever your customers click that button, they're gonna land on this store. So this is gonna be kind of forever hosted link, and this is where your store is going to be. And then you can put it on your Instagram profile page, you can put it on your TikTok, you can place it on your website or whatever you want. And don't forget to also put it on the Google page, on your how people can order when they find your business on Google. You will have to work on creating visibility for your restaurant for sure, and let me know if I need to create a separate video showing all the channels where you can place and publish your web shop.